Hi guys, this is Tanya from 4Girls Jewelry. Today I will show how I make this braid. It has 5 24 gauge wires in there. Usually I make very long braid, then hammer, and then use in jewelry. I hope you can see the beauty of this braid. Okay, so what we need 24 gauge, and to save my time I already anchor all 5 of them. They double, see, it's double, and they're not too long, but when you anchor it you leave this end here and anchor with the opposite side, so you have the loop right here. It doesn't matter, just for me it's easier. So we have 5 wires. We start with this wire. We divide them 2 and 3, and then it's like a braiding your hair. It goes inside, goes here. So that goes, join the 3. Then this goes inside. I don't know if you guys will understand. Let's again. So we have 3 on one side and 2 on the other side. Each time we want to have 3, so that because they are 5. So we're going this wire go inside. Then from these sides we have 3 again. We want to always put that one inside. We have 2 left. Now we have 3 on this side. Again, you put 1 inside. We have 3, so you put 1 inside. 3, 1 inside. I usually watch TV and doing this, so I'm not even thinking about that. But each time you put 1 inside to join the 3. Again, we have 3, 1 goes join the 3. And then we have on the other side 3, we put that to the 3. Again, this goes to the join the 3 club, then the last one goes to 3. And so we always switching only the ones that on this side. We basically don't touch anything between. And that's how you braid. Sometimes they can tangle. It's good if you anchor it to something, so you will have more like force to braid them nicely. After you're done, you can use your rubber mallet and lightly hammer, so the wires will sit how they're supposed to sit. And after that, use your normal hammer. Also, don't use too much force, lightly. And like I showed the video before what I do with them, I always use my torch and melt a little bit the ends. Each link have melted ends, and I use my file to file it. And after that, create link. You can make beautiful earrings like that, just a link, and then you can put beautiful, like just 1 bead. It looks so cool. It's sort of Celtic or Celtic also. I like the braids. So I hope you guys like it, and we'll be able to make those simple braids. Any question? Leave in the comment below. Thank you for watching. See you next time.